commonly known as the sunflower family. It is the largest family of dicotyledons. Comparison 950 genera and 20,000 species, out of which 697 species occurrence in our India. They are worldwide distribution and abundant in a tropical region. First, we discuss about the systematic position according to Bentham and Hooker classification. First, the kingdom Plantae, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Cell wall is made up of solution, no locomotion, only movement. Then division spermatophyta produced a flower during the whole life cycle. Sex organ are multicellular. After fertilization, ovules turn to seed and the embryo formation occurrence. Then the class dicotyledons. The two cotyledons present in this dicotyledons. Root are taproot system. Venation is a reticulate. Flower are pentamorous or tetramorous. And after fertilization, ovary convert into fruit. Then the subclass Gamopetalis. Gamopetally, it means the petals are fused or united. The epipetal stamen and equal to the number of petals. Calyx and corolla both are present. Ovary either superior or either inferior. The next series, inferior. In this inferior series, the order is the astrals. Flowers with the bicarpellary, unilocular ovary with the basal placentation, and there are 4 families included in these astral orders. And next, the family is the Astraceae. It is also called the composite family. In this family, we discuss about the unique character. First is a vegetative character, the habit of shrubs or rarely tree. It means कि एस्ट्रेसी फैमिली है, इसमें मोस्ट ऑफ प्लांट हर्ब और श्रब है, आइदर ट्री होगा और आइदर क्लाइंबर होगा. Habitat, तो many of the plants are mesophyte and hydrophytes grow. They have a no growing in the dry season. They are most of growing in the aquatic or moderate condition. Root are a taproot system and they sometimes modify into tubers. It means कि जो रूट का पोर्शन है उसके नीचे वाला पोर्शन है वो समटाइम ग्लोब्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर में, ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में फाउंड होता है. वो क्या प्लांट में? हेलियंथस ट्यूबरस्कस प्लांट में. देन द स्टेम आर इरेक्ट, इट मीन द स्ट्रेट, एंड सम प्लांट आर द पोस्ट्रेट, इट मीन द स्प्रेड इन द अर्थ. देन herbaceous, it means the evergreen or woody. Hair structure, in some plant, in the stem, the hair structure are present and sometimes with latex. In some plant, when we cut the stem, then the some liquid are present, so it is called the latex. Next, leaf. The leaf arrangement are alternate, rarely opposite or walled, and the leaves are petiolated or sessile, exstipulate, mostly simple, sometimes scale-like, unicosted or multicosted reticulate venation. It means कि most of जो plant है उसका leaf है वो alternate में होगा, पर rarely जो opposite in decussate और wall arrangement है वो rarely present है. Most of in the alternate present. In this flower, the petiole are present, it is called the petiolate, and the petiole are absent, so it is called the sessile. Stipule are absent, it means exstipulate, and in some plant, the scale-like structure are present, and the venation is a reticulate, यानी कि net-like structure present. Then the floral character. In this floral character, the first of all is the inflorescence. Inflorescence is a capitulum. Capitulum means in this inflorescence the consist of a floret. Floret means the tiny flower, and they have a floret here two types: the disc floret and ray floret. The disc floret means they are arranged in the central forest, and the ray floret means they are arranged in the peripheral region. Next, the flower. So most of in this flower the bracts are present, so it is the bractate. The flower in pedicle absent, so it is the sessile. In some plant the complete and some are incomplete. The plant is a hermaphrodite यानी कि यूनिसेक्सुअल, actinomorphic or zygomorphic and pentamorphic. We discussed the floret. In the flower there are two kind of floret, the disc floret and ray floret. Disc floret it is also known as the tubular flower, and the ray floret it is also known as the ligulate. So first of all we discuss about the ray floret. Ray floret means they are arranged in the peripheral region. In this ray floret and disc floret, the flower, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, they are arranged in a different style. So first is a ray floret in flower. The flower is bracts are present, pedicles are absent, so it is called the sessile. Then the zygomorphic, it means they are not equally symmetrical. Then the ligulated. Ligulated means कि all of the corolla are present in the one side and the all petals are attached, and we saw the one side of the flower the five are attached to, so it is called the ligulate flower. And irregular or bisexual. Irregular means कि calyx, corolla, sepals, petal in which in four portion the androecium are absent, so it is called the irregular bisexual. Then the calyx. So in some rarely plant the sepals are 4 number, but in most of the cases they modify into pappus or absent. It means pappus means क्या होता है कि जो sepals है उसका क्या होगा कि sepals are modified into large number of hair like structure, so it is called the pappus. Pappus nothing modified to sepals, but sepals are, it means the calyx are modified to hair like structure called the pappus. And this pappus estivation is a calyx, or estivation is a valvate type. Next one is the corolla. The petals are arranged in a 4 number, then gapopetalous means 4 petals are fused, and the estivation are valvate, and the petals are a ligulate, means the 4 petals are fused together in one side. Androecium are absent in a ray floret. Gynoecium it means bicarpally, the 2 carpella are present, then the syncarpus यानी कि fused together. Then the ovary is a inferior and unilocular with the basal placentation. It means कि जो ovary है वो क्या होगा कि bicarpellary तो होगी, इसमें 2 carpella है, but ovary was is a unilocular. It means कि they have a single locular. In this locule, this is the unilocular. In this, the ovule are attached to this portion. This is the basal portion, so it is called the basal placentation. And the fruit is a Klebsiella type. This is a ray floret characteristic. In this ray floret characteristic, we write down the floral formula. It means the bracts are present, so BR. Then the flower are zygomorphic. Then flower has a unisexual. In this, the only gynoecium are present, androecium are absent. Then calyx. So calyx in this sepals are absent, but pappus are observed. Then next is a corolla. They are 5 number and gamopetalous. Then the androecium is a absent. Then the gynoecium are bicarpellary. They are syncarpus, and the ovary is a inferior. So this is a floral formula of ray floret. Next one is a disc florence. Means it is the this is the arrangement in the central region. Also same the ray floret, the flower are a bract, sessile, but in this the difference is in this ray floret the androecium are absent, so it is incomplete, but in this floret the androecium are present, so it is called a completely bisexual, and there is a actinomorphic. Then the calyx, same to the ray floret, they are absent or modify into pappus. It means the calyx modify into large number of hair-like structure known as the pappus. Then the corolla, petals means 4, gamopetalous, estivation, valvate, and they are various in color. Next is the androecium. In this stamen are 4 to 5. The anther are diaticous and 2 cells. The filament are free, but the anther are usually connected around the स्टाइल कि उसमें स्टेमन है वो 4 यानी कि 5 नंबर है और एपिपेटलस एंथर है और एंथर डाइटेकस एंड 2 सेल्स है. बट इन सम टाइम द एंथर इट इज कॉल्ड द सिनेंजिस. सिनेंजिस मतलब क्या होता है कि जो एंथर है उसका फिलामेंट है वो क्या होगा, फ्री होगा, बट उसका जो in the stamen the filament are free, but the anther are usually connected into tube around the cell, so it is called the syringes. Next the gynoecium. Gynoecium same to the ray floret. They are the bicarpellary, syncarpous, ovary are inferior and unilocular with basal placentation. Fruit are a sepsella type and the seed are non-endospermic. So we write down the disc floret floral diagram. The bracts are present. Differences in this: the flower are actinomorphic. They are bisexual. Anther and gynoecium both are present. Calyx are pappus. Corolla are 5 and gamopetalous. Then the androecium are 5 and fused, but petals यानी कि corolla and anther are connected. So they write down this, and the ovary is a bicarpellary, inferior and syncarpous ovary. So this is a floral formula of disc floret. Some example of the Tridex procumbens यानी कि परदेसी भांगरा. उसके फ्लोरा फॉर्मूला में हम देखते हैं कि ब्रैक्ट है वो प्रेजेंट है. दिस इज अ ब्रैक्ट पोर्शन, so it is called the BR, bracteolate absent means EBR. Also in this Tridex procumbens the disc floret are actinomorphic and the ray floret are zygomorphic. So this is the difference between the ray and disc floret. Then the bisexual in this disc floret and only gynoecium are present in ray floret. Then the calyx, so calyx are in both these calyx are absent. It means they are present of pappus. Then the corolla and in the disc floret the corolla and androecium both are 5 and fused together and they are synensis. It means in the gynoecium is the 2, ovary is the syncarpous and they are inferior. In this also the corolla is 5 number, androecium are absent, we already discussed about in our, and the ovary is the same. So in this floral formula we draw the floral diagram. So they are a bract portion and they dot lines, it is called the calyx, it means the pappus. Then the next one is a corolla 5 and they are gamo, means they are attached to in this portion. Then the anther, the anther are synensis, it means that all 5 anther are connected to each other and the filament are free to attach to the corolla. Gynoecium is a 2 and unilocular. In this structure the bracts are present, they are the calyx, they are corolla 5 number, androecium are absent. So both in the disc floret and ray floret the gynoecium are same. In the disc they are actinomorphic and the ray is a zygomorphic. Next example is a helanther and it means a सूर्यमुखी. उसमें जो फ्लावर है उसका इन्फ्लोरेसेंस कैपिटुलेंट टाइप का है, ये रे फ्लोरेट है, ये उसका एलएस है. Then the disc floret, LS of disc floret. Now we discuss about the floral formula and floral diagram. So in this both are the bracts are present. So it is write down the BR. Then the ray floret, in this they are zygomorphic. In the disc floret it is the actinomorphic. Then The ray floret, in this only gynoecium present, anther are absent. In this the anther are present, also gynoecium are present, so it is bisexual, it is the unisexual. Then both are, the calyx are converted into pappus. In this the calyx are present in a 5 number. The corolla are 5 in number, in this also 5 in number. But this type of corolla in ray floret, it is a ligulate type. It means that the 4 petals are attached together and they are arranged in a one side, and one side is a free, so it is called the ligulate. In this they are arranged in a whole structure in estivation valvate. In this anther are absent. The gynoecium is a 1, that means that ovary is a monocarpellary unilocular with the basal placentation. In this the anther are present, but they are attached together and the filaments are free, so it is the sinensis. The ovary is a inferior and a unilocular. Next, the some plants of this Astraceae family, यानी कि compositive family. Helianthus anus, it means सूर्यमुखी वाला plant. Then the Ecliptus albus, it means the भांगरो. Tridex propungus, यानी कि परदेसी भांगरो, उसका फ्लावर अरेंजमेंट और होल फ्लावर आर प्रेजेंट. उसका लीफ है, उसकी अल्टरनेट है अरेंजमेंट, और जो फ्लावर है उसमें हमें कैलिक्स नहीं है बट कोरोला और एंड्रोशियम दिखाई दे रही है. देन वर्नेनिया सिनेरिया, इट मीन्स द शहदेवी. देन द अदर इज द ज़ैंथियम स्ट्रोंसियम, यानी कि गादरिया प्लांट. सो ऑल द प्लांट आर एडेड इन दिस द Astraceae or compositive family. Thank you.